What's up, y'all? It's your favorite nail tech here in Alaska, Lil Holly, and I'm gonna teach you how to do this perfect French tip. Keep watching.
Never gotta sweat that. You could bet that. Never gotta sweat that. You could bet that. Never gotta sweat that.
Okay, y'all, so to get into it, I used an XL tip and I layered this nude acrylic powder on top just to give you guys like a background and something cute to look at that wasn't clear when I did this French tip. And I used, I think it's called Naya's Nails acrylic, and just super quick, super easy. I didn't even file, didn't even buff it or do nothing. This is my favorite art brush that I got from Amazon. You do not have to buy super expensive art brushes to get the job done. And do not mind my ugly nail polish palette. I've had this for 4 years and it's sentimental at this point. And then I'm gonna use this color French Tips by D&D. Is not D&D, girl. I forgot the dang name. DNC, D&D. No, it is D&D. No, that's Do Not Disturb, girl. I don't know. Anyways, to get started, I put a little bit of white onto the palette, and I just have to get a good grip on this nail. Okay, so I'm gonna start on the side, and I'm gonna go all the way down. Swoop, 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 swoop. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, but I want to make sure that the lines are equal, because that's what people be complaining about, is that the lines are not equal on each side. So we don't want that. Okay, so boom, look a little crooked, so I'm gonna add a little bit to this side. Boom, evened out. So I'm gonna find the middle of the nail, kind of eyeball it. This is how I do it. There's multiple ways to do it, but just for you guys, I'm gonna mark the middle of the nail. Okay, so I know that the dip needs to be in the middle, so I'm just gonna swoop and swoop, and the same thing that you do to one side, you're gonna do to the other side. Swoop and swoop. So it depends on if you're wanting a deep French tip, this would be considered deep, or a non-deep French tip. And if for a non-deep French tip, I would just keep on going up. Okay, so I want to make sure that these lines are nice, smooth, and crisp. Swoop. Cute. Do not mind my cuticles. Okay, my nails are looking real rough because I'm out here doing everybody else's nails, so just mind your business, keep it pushing. Okay, so this is where we're at right now, and I'm just kind of filling in some of the spots, but work smarter, not harder. This nail polish bottle is almost out, but I'm gonna fill in these spots real quick, so I'm not trying to do it with my thin little brush. And I see a hair, and that's gonna get on my nerves. So yeah, I am just painting away. Okay, this is what it looks like right now, but I want it to be a little bit less deep. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to clean this up, the sides, and then my swoop, I'm gonna start bringing up. The same thing you do to one side, do to the other side. And did you see how there was a little point in the corner? I made it more round, so it started to look like a French tip and not so crazy. And boom. The key is the skinny brush. The skinny, long, flexible brush. So this is what she looks like. So as you can see, the middle is right here, and the point, or the little, where it starts to curve, is in the middle, and that is what we want. Okay, so now we are going to stick it in the lamp, and we're going to cure her for about 30 seconds to a minute. And when it's in the lamp, be sure that you are turning, or your client is turning their hand a little bit to the left and a little bit to the right, but not bumping anything, to make sure that all the sides are dry, because the last thing you want is a French tip that is not all the way dry. Okay, so this is what she's looking like, and now I'm gonna go over with my second coat. Remember, work smarter, not harder. So I'm taking my brush and doing my second coat of white, but I will go in with my thinner brush to go over the swoop part so that it's still crisp. You don't want to go over that with your fat brush or your polished brush, because it is a higher possibility that you are going to mess up the nicely drawn swoop that you just did. So I'm going in with my brush, like I said before, and watch the part that I do. Take it there. I'm doing little strokes at first and just cleaning this part up. Swoop! Look at that. Oh, magnificent. Chef's kiss, baby. It takes practice. I promise it takes practice, but once you get it down, baby, you will get it down. Okay, just keep practicing. Look at it. Okay, we're gonna cure that again. Okay, so next up, the only thing we have to do is gloss it, baby. This is not polish top coat. I love this top coat, swear by this top coat. I don't know if I'll ever use another top coat in my life, okay? Don't mind the dust on it, okay? I had a client and I had to rush this a little bit. But look at how nice. Look at how nice. Sorry it's not focused. Didn't even notice. But this top coat is really good. The French is really good. I promise once you get this down, your client will be so happy. All your clients will be so happy. And you just gotta practice. And then now we are going to cure it. This is the last step, unless you want to go through and file it and make it more crisp, but this was a fake little nail, so I didn't do all that. Okay, so this is her. She's so cute, so glossy. Look at the glare. Don't mind my acrylic application, okay? I know there's a little bump, but I did this quick for y'all so y'all can get the perfect French tip, okay? Okay, look at her. In the middle, boom, bow, super swooped. Love it, love her. Y'all need to keep practicing this. Do not give up. You got this, babe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Listen to my podcast called Nail Tech Nation. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and all the other stuff at Nails by Lil Holly. I promise you will not regret it. Your favorite nail tech from Alaska is out. Bye.